Ready to level up your content game? Today we're diving into Claude AI, the powerhouse for creative writing and automation. Let's get you in. First things first, navigate to Claude AI. It's the gateway to your new creative partner. Click that Try Claude button to begin. You can sign up using your Google account for a one-click start, or use a private email address if you prefer. Pro tip: if you're using email, keep your phone handy. You'll need to check your inbox for a verification code immediately. Once you're in, the interface is remarkably clean. Everything you need is right there in the chat box or your projects folder. The free tier uses Sonnet, but for serious creators, the Pro and Max tiers offer higher usage limits and organized project folders. These folders are essential for keeping your multi-part series organized. No more digging through old chats. Before you start, there's one last step: identity verification. Anthropic requires a phone number to keep things secure. It's a standard move to keep the bots away and ensure the platform stays high quality for creators like us. Now that you're in, let's talk about what makes Claude actually special. It's more than just a chatbot. Claude uses something called adaptive thinking. Unlike basic bots, it doesn't just guess the next word in a sentence. It analyzes the context of your entire series. This ensures that what happens in Chapter 10 doesn't contradict Chapter 1. That narrative tension and logical progression are baked into the system, keeping your story tight and professional. Then there's the context window. Claude can hold up to 200,000 tokens in its active memory at once. To put that in perspective, that's roughly a whole novel. This is why it's the perfect tool for long-form video series. It remembers the details you established hours ago, allowing for complex world building and character arcs. By 2026, Claude has evolved. Through the Model Context Protocol, it can now trigger external creative tools directly. It isn't just a writer anymore, it's a conductor, orchestrating a whole suite of tools to bring your vision to life. It can even trigger Higgsfield to generate the actual 4K video clips based on the specific scripts it writes for you. Alright, let's get practical. Here is the step-by-step workflow for scripting your first 3-part series. We'll start with the Series Bible. This is the foundation where we define everything from tone to protagonists. Use a prompt like this to lock in your vision. It defines the Commander Nova character and keeps her consistent. This locks in the consistency across all episodes, so your series feels like one cohesive journey. Next, ask Claude to divide your total duration into 3 60-second beats. This gives your series its structure. Part 1 for the hook, Part 2 for the solution and spectacle, and Part 3 for that all-important cliffhanger. Now, generate the actual script. Claude can output a table that separates what we hear from what we see. Be sure to ask for camera moves and lighting cues. This level of detail ensures your visual expert has everything they need. It can even write the specific prompts you'll need to plug into video generators to keep your shots looking uniform. And that's it, from sign up to a fully scripted series in minutes. Jump into Claude AI and start creating. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and build something incredible.